go?
Explain the crying coming from the house. Marika.
Rins.
He wants to come for a walk.
Because he wants to go with us.
Where are we going now?
The mountains.
The mountains? Oh, thought we weren't allowed. This is your sister.
Yes.
Big sister.
My sister Nelly.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Marians di crio ddigon fel mae'n cadw defo ni. You've cried enough now so you can come with us. Bye. So, we're going to the mountain.
Yeah.
So,
And
yesterday we couldn't go to the mountain because of the
we're going to other
MPA.
mountains now.
Why is the security risk okay today and not yesterday? Hmm?
What?
Why is it okay today and not yesterday?
Because now.
You want to go?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, Marian's drosodd yn saff.
I'm playing here.
Come on, walk. I'm going to film in case you slip. I don't want you to slip, but if you do, it's good that I'm filming.
Want me to swim?
You go first.
Before we swim here.
Yeah?
Yeah. When I was a kid.
Oh, you must have been small. Was it deeper up there?
From there to down.
Ah, okay.
Sliding.
Oh my god, look at the size of it. Oh my god. I hope he's tied up. It's huge.
You gonna go there?
No. That's scary. Bad boy, hey, what's this? Hey, what's this? Buffalo? This is your grandfather's buffalo?
Friends.
Meadow. Ren sy'n arwain y ffordd ni. God, that pig's huge.
The pig.
Dwi'n rhaid i go mochyn mor fawr o hyn o blaen. Dwi'n ofn o. Yn anfarth, mae'n ddarth. Oh gosh.
Kaya nga kita baboy na